Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is August the 25th and our devotion is called He Understands You. The Lord looks down from heaven and sees the whole human race. From his throne he observes all who lives on the earth. He made their hearts, so he understands everything they do. Psalms 33:13 through 15. Do you remember how you first felt when you heard that God is always watching and sees everything you do? Whether you were quite young or it's just been a few years ago, it likely made you a little self-conscious. What about all the things we rather not be seen? Take heart. Yes, he sees all, but remember, as the maker of your heart, he also knows exactly how it works. He understands you. Your Father knows the place your less than perfect moments come from, and out of love and tenderness, he forgives them. Father God, I confess, there are things I do that I'd rather not you see. But I don't need to fret over it. You made my heart and you understand the reason for every regrettable word, thought, and action. You get me. You see, you forgive, and you set me free. Why would I ever want to hide? The nighttime devotion. Like a dad watching his little girl on the balance beam, what a comfort it is to know God watches your life. Every time you leap and land perfectly, you feel his beaming pride. When you lose your balance and fall off, it's his loving encouragement that bolsters your encourage to get back up and try again. He watches, he sees, he's very, very proud of you. The question of the day. Run through your day in your head. Imagine your father seeing it all. What made him proud? When was he encouraging you not to give up? I think what made him proud today was the letters that I wrote. And I think what he encouraged me not to give up was the letters I wrote. Because I don't know how many times I start them and stop them and start them and stop them. But I got them finished. And some will be burnt. And some will be mailed. but they're letters that had to be written. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.